Hey everyone, this is an impromptu unboxing. Can't even see what I'm doing because I've got the camera in front of me, so this will be interesting. But this is a box that just arrived today, and as you can see from the front where I've put an arrow, PCB board. This is for the second part of a project video. I'm just going to open it. I'll probably end up re-recording this at some point, the audio anyway. I should stop waffling, and I'm just going to open this up. Whoa, if I can get it out. Yay! So, what have we got inside? We have got some Neo7Segment display PCBs. You can't see the front of them because the stickers are on there. I'll open them in a second. As you can see at the bottom here, unexpectedmaker.com. Wow, I'll open that in a second. And we also have, I've never done one of these before, we have a solder mask stencil. Oh, look at that. I've never ordered a stencil before, or I hope that's not flashing in your eyes. But here we have, look at all the solder pads that need to be done. I'm going to try to do these by hand as well on one of the units. That is fantastic. So, whoops, banged the camera. Sorry everyone. As I said, I have the camera right in front of my face and I can't even see what I'm doing. Just going to cut that. That is stuck on really well. Okay. Woohoo! Dun dun dun. We have Neo7Segment revision 2018-1 PCB. Can't wait to put this together and show you what it looks like. Okay, that's it. That's the video for now. Thanks for watching. I will catch you next time.